Hey y'all, Jennifer Woolsey here, your favorite Avon lady. How is everybody doing tonight? So I didn't put much makeup on today. I already cleansed my face, but I am going to take a relaxing bath. I'll give you a peek. It's running. And I was going to put on a nighttime mask while I took my bath. So I thought I'll just show you a little bit about my routine so that you'll kind of be in the know. Because if you guys have been sitting around the house watching Netflix and doing all of that TV watching and playing games with your kids, your face probably starting to feel grimy. So it's good to mask. Even a couple of times during the week when you're at home and not feeling like you're getting out a lot. You know, with all the chaos and everything going on in the world, it's good to treat yourself because life is crazy. So we're going to just embrace it and have a little fun. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Shawnee. How are you guys? Okay, so I'm going to show you. I've already cleansed my face with my rice water cleanser, which does an amazing job. There's always a little bit extra, and Amanda taught me about double cleansing. So I'm going to use my micellar water. Watch this. And these little cotton facial pads are so awesome. Now, they can't be used as toilet paper. I mean, I guess they could technically, but anyway. I'm just going to show you. So it's clean. After cleansing even, sometimes your face needs just a little bit of an extra clean. These little pads are coming soon. I got a sneak peek to test, and I'm loving them. Look at that. Yuck. I'm going to use the other side here. Okay, so my face is good and clean. We are going to use one of my favorite masks tonight because I'm trying to get the pollutants and the toxin and the dust and all of those things out of my skin. So I'm going to use my anti-pollution neutralized charcoal mask. This is also really good to pull all of that stuff out of your pores if you feel like your pores are getting clogged up being inside with, heating and cooling going on. So here we go. Are y'all ready? We are just going to draw this on. Wow. Here we go. So, this is one way that I de-stress. I just got the boys in bed. They're down for the night. This being a homeschool mom, woo! Who even knew? I did not want to do this. Cred to our school teachers and our other homeschool moms that choose to do this. Like, I don't know why. I think it was my friend Amanda that said one of her girls already asked to go to the principal's office or something. So, I'm making a mess. Hold on. If you're noticing that being indoors more, that you are seeing more like acne stuff going on, that could be because you need a good cleanse. Even though you're not putting your makeup on every day, you still need to cleanse your face. We're just going to pat. How about that? You still need to cleanse your face because toxins still are getting on it. And so this is going to help. We're just going to do a little wipey wipe there. This is going to help to clean those pores out. Get all that nasty stuff out of your skin that's been sitting there all day long. And it's a good excuse to relax, right? Get a glass of wine, take a hot bath, let your skin, just clean out. This is supposed to stay on for about 10 minutes, so I'll be sure and take a washcloth with me into the bathtub so I can, usually I do, but I was going to show y'all, I'm running a hot bath so that I can relax. And I picked up something, I picked it up like around Christmas time because we play games and stuff at the Five Below store. It's 24 karat eye mask. So we're going to put these babies on and let them relax here under my eyes. Do you guys ever use these? Do they really work? These are Jean Puree. I'm sure they are top of the line because they were $2. Hi, Sandra. We're talking about how to relax and clean those pores out for you for tonight. So I'm going to take a hot bath, drink a glass of wine. So this is probably going to pull some of the toxins out that I get in with my wine. Okay, so let's see. I've used them once. I've used a different brand once before, and they didn't really stay on my eyes. So there may be some kind of a trick. They come in like a little tray thing here, so we're going to we're going to get this going, and I'll see. You guys are going to be like, girl, you done lost your mind. My daughter uses those. I'm excited to try them. They come in like a little tray that already, I guess, has some skincare in them. So, what do you guys do? How are you keeping your skin clear, even with all the chaos going on in the world, taking care of your kids, maybe working from home, maybe you're just trying to find some way to, be able to take care of your skin? Here's another tip. If you don't have skincare with you, the one thing that you can do is take a lemon and slice it up, and if you've got some honey, squeeze that lemon and get a little bit of juice on it, and then squeeze your honey on that and rub that on your face. It's also a good exfoliant, and it can help pull out nasty stuff from your skin. So there's a tip. If you don't have any of this stuff at your house, you can use that. Now, of course, I'm going to encourage you to pick up your micellar water and your anti-pollution charcoal mask on my website, your avon.com/jwoolsey. We've got all your basics, your shampoo, your conditioner, your deodorant. We've got Aspira, we've got protein powder, which is great. Right now you need to be making sure that you're getting lots of greens, and so we also have the Aspira Green. I'll post those pictures here in Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz for you guys so that you guys can check that out. But make sure that you're getting plenty of protein. Make sure you're getting plenty of greens. I know there's not a lot of fruits and vegetables at the grocery stores, so you can get it with the greens mix. Mix it with the protein shake, and then give yourself a little treat. So maybe you can skip a meal and not eat as much, because my kids want to eat like every 10 minutes. So I'm trying to not eat every 10 minutes when they do. I want to take a bath in that bathtub. Girl, it's filling up. I have a little bath bomb in there. I have my unicorn bath bomb that I ordered from Avon. And then when I get this all cleansed off, I'm going to use my Zika peptide emulsion. This is like a facelift in a bottle. Oh my gosh. And it goes on clear. It feels amazing. Your skin will just suck it right up, and you'll just feel young again. So when we all get to go out of our houses again, we're going to feel like new women, right? That's what you want to do. And then I will use a new clinical line eraser with retinol. It's going to help decrease my pore sizes and also give my face a little bit extra moisture and pull those wrinkles out. So all of this stuff you can pick up on your avon.com/jwoolsey. Get those things for yourself. Okay, are y'all ready? Here we go. We're going to do the eye mask so I can get in the bathtub before my water overflows. Ashley, you know where I live, girlfriend. Come on over, sister. I'm working from home and I'm at the fridge. It's horrible, isn't it? Okay, so we're just going to lay these right under here. Oh, yes. I can already tell it's going to pull out those wrinkles. Pull them away from my eye a little bit. Yeah. It's going to pull out those wrinkles. It's going to give my eyes a little rejuvenation from all this air conditioning and stuff. Okay, here we go. So, like I said, whenever we can get back out again, I picked these up for like $2 at, what is that store? Oh, Five Below. Five Below, baby. Yes, Five Below. So I will give you guys a full report once I've soaked in my bathtub and drank my glass of wine and relaxed, how my skin comes out, and then I'll do my nighttime skincare regimen. So just a little reminder, be sure and take care of yourself, even when you're taking care of everybody else in your life during this crazy time. Do a little face mask, drink a little glass of wine, take a bath, relax, and shop on your avon.com/jwoolsey. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. I'm praying for you. I'm praying for our nation. We're going to get through this. It's going to be okay. Choose joy and nothing else. Find something to do to make yourself feel re-energized and recount your blessings. Think of 5 things today that you're thankful for, even in all the chaos. Do you have food in your house? Do you have a home to sleep in? Do you have electricity? Do you have a vehicle? Do you have lipstick? I mean, that's important, right? Think of 5 things, your family, your friends, 5 things that you're grateful for tonight, and just be thankful that you've got those things, because there's a lot of people in this world that do not even have homes. They do not have food. Heck, they don't even have toilet paper, right? I mean, come on. Choose joy. That's right, Shawnee. Choose joy. Find 5 things that you're thankful for, and just celebrate those things today. Relax. Mamas, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself so that you're re-energized to go back in for the fight tomorrow. And if you're looking for an opportunity, maybe you're not working right now and you need some extra money, it's free to join us in Avon at www.youravon.com/jwoolsey. You can join us for free and get a discount, 25% discount on everything that you order on your first order, and every order that you have, actually. So, check it out, see if it's something that might help you during this time, and I'll be happy to mentor you and coach you. I know, the toilet paper thing is nuts. It's crazy. I don't get it. I mean, the coronavirus doesn't even have anything to do with diarrhea, but anyway, go ahead. So choose joy. Pick your 5 things you're grateful for. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. I hope you have a blessed night and a blessed week. Love you guys. Bye-bye.